frozen. Let's see here. Olaf's like 3 tires. Let's give him a shot here. We're gonna go up a little bit here first. There we go, and come around. That's good. There we go. If you do a little bit like that first, then what we can do is just come around like this, and he kind of comes down like that. That's right. Just like that. A little swiggly goo. Looks like an ear almost. And then we're gonna come all the way up again. Like that. There we go. That's an interesting one. Don't come too far. You don't want to go up too far. What we're gonna do here is we're gonna make his nose now. So his nose comes out like this. It's a big old carrot, isn't it? With a little stumpy bump there at the bottom. And then back in again and around. You see that? That's not too bad. And then what we can do is continue his lip from here. He's got a big old lip, don't he? There we go. And we'll come it around here. Big old smile on Olaf. There we go, right on up. Give him a little cheek here. That's nice. And then we'll come back down to complete his mouth. Right around there. Now don't meet those up yet, because what we're gonna do is we're gonna put Olaf's buck teeth in now. He's got that one big tooth, doesn't he? So strange. But there you go, he is a cartoon. Just like that. There we go. And now we can meet up the mouth. Just on a bit of an angle there, so it's looking good. There we are. And now we can put in his eyes. So we'll put one eye here. Big round eyes. That's nice. And another one here. There we go. And we can have him looking this way. So you draw his pupils looking on this side. This is good. We'll give him a little highlight in his eye. And then we can color them in. Just like that. There we go. Olaf might need some eyelashes. He's kind of got a bit of an eyelash here, right there. Maybe another one there. Just to give him some depth in his eyes. That looks good. And now some eyebrows. One. We can color these in. And 2. Right on the outside there. That's looking nice. All right. Now let's see here. As I was saying before, Olaf's got 3 bits. So we'll make his body right here, coming all around like this. That bit's good. And then we'll continue down here, just like that. And now we can make his arms. His arms are funny sticks. So they're pretty straight, just like this. You can join them there as if they're in the snow. A little bump there, where his forearm might be. There you go. Like most of them, Olaf's got a bit of a thumb here, and then only 3 fingers. Just like that. 1. Little bend in there. 2. 3 there. Just like that. Looking good. And then we can come over here and do his second arm. That's right. We'll start him off here. 1, 2, just like this last one. A little bump here for his forearm. Coming around like that. Here we go. 1. We can make his thumb here. And then what we'll do is we'll make a 1 there, and 1 there, as if we're below, on the other side of the thumb there, because his hand's facing this way. There we go. That's looking pretty good. All right. Now we can do this bottom part now. There we go, here coming down like that. Good old Olaf's got a big bottom here. That's nice. And little stubby feet, don't they? Just like this. 1 and 2 up here. There we go, that's nice. Looking pretty good. And now Olaf's got his buttons. 1, 2, and 3. We'll color those in black later, I believe. And now let's go and finish him off with some hair. A couple of twigs coming out of his forehead here. 1. We'll color these in later. Maybe stick color. 2. 3. Looking good. There we go, everybody. It's Olaf. And now we can go and do the color. We've got orange for his carrot nose, brown for the twiggy arms and hair, bluish green for his snowy mouth, and black for his buttons. Thank you.